Stop it. Stop it, please. What are you playing? What is this game? What are you playing at? No, but what are you doing? You don't touch me, you don't touch me, you don't touch me. Are you don't stop this. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? Don't tell me to shut up. Why are you doing this? Again, why? Why?
I tell you I'm gonna use force.
Why?
Go! Go!
Why?
Go!
Why?
I'm not going to use force.
I have the right to be here.
I'm not sure.
They have the binocular and they stole it yesterday at the family while they raided the home and destroyed everything inside.